welcome to Mint. This is Malvika Joshi, and in this edition of From the Newsroom, we are joined by Deepti Chaudhary. Hi Deepti,
Hi.
Welcome to the show. 2012 has been a lackluster year for private equity investors, and the numbers show this. The deal volume in 2012 fell to a 3-year low. Deepti will tell us more about the year that is nearing its fag end. So Deepti, why have the deal volumes been so low this year?
2012 has been one of the dampener years for PE funds, even when compared to 2011 or even 2010. There are various reasons for it. To begin with, India's growth story is no longer as strong as it used to be. We are no longer looking at growth rates of 8 to 9%. It's 5 to 6% now. This has led Indian companies to hold on to their investment plans. Promoters are no longer confident. On the other hand, private equity investors are grappling with lack of exits. So their main focus right now is to look at exits for invested companies, then making new investments. And again, then we have the issue of fundraising by new PE funds, which is not happening. So there isn't too much of capital available also.
So if we were to see this whole year, which are the sectors where we have seen maximum focus or maximum activity happening in the PE space?
When it comes to investments, PE funds have been very keen on consumer because of the domestic consumption story. We saw one of the biggest deals in which Temasek invested in GCPL. IT is again very hot, and we saw one of the largest deals this year when Bain invested in Genpact. When it comes to exits, it's financial services which is giving the biggest exits. Exits of $2.4 billion happened from financial services this year, which is a very, very big exit amount. The largest exit was by Carlyle in HDFC.
Going forward, how are the private equity investors viewing 2013? What are they hoping?
They're very cautiously optimistic. They are not saying that 2013 is going to see a major change, but they are optimistic because of the reforms that the government has taken in terms of FDI approval in insurance, retail, airlines. They feel the consumption story will continue to be strong, and there is going to be a regeneration of interest in manufacturing.
Thanks, Deepti. We hope 2013 brings the Indian economy as well as investor confidence back on track, both in speech and spirit. For more updates, log on to livemint.com.